How it is made, an object book of common things. London, Frederick Warne Co, and New York. The coffee plant grows in a far-off land, where there are Arabs, and camels, and sand. The berries are roasted, and when they are browned, are put in a coffee mill there, to be ground, which when mixed with water quite boiling hot, will be ready to pour from the coffee pot. Salt is found in sea and mine. We use salt cellars, when we dine, and salt with almonds, some think fine. Here's pepper whole, and pepper ground, and the plant on which the pepper's found. And here is the pepper box. Just tilt it gently, if you please. The pepper, else, will make you sneeze. Ground grains of wheat provide our flour. From flour and water, dough is made. To knead the dough, and shape the loaf, are part of every baker's trade. Bees are gathering pollen and nectar from the flowers. They are never idle all the sunny hours. To the straw-roofed hives they bring their treasure home, storing up their honey in the waxen comb. See what our clever gardener grew. Grapes, and a big pineapple, too. If he will send them to the show, he's sure to take a prize, you know. A teapot. A tea set. And what may this be? A Chinaman, carrying chests of tea. Ships from India bring us rice. A baked rice pudding's very nice. Indians eat it more than you. For breakfast, dinner, supper too. This is the fruit of the cocoa tree. To make our cocoa, the seeds must be roasted and ground. If then combined with sugar, it's chocolate you'll find. Sugar which little boys so like to eat comes from the sugar cane, juicy and sweet. Ginger, nutmegs, and cloves, which come from the East, are spices and dainties that add to a feast.